There's also an update in a high-profile Albuquerque murder case. Prosecutors scored a victory in court. They want to convict the man they say shot and killed Jackie Vigil at her home nearly 3.5 years ago. Tommy Lopez is here to explain how this decision could impact the trial. And Tommy, that's supposed to start pretty soon.
Yeah, it is set for April 17th, 11 days from now. The man accused is Luis Talamantes-Romero. Today in a hearing, a judge squashed the defense's attempt to limit the evidence the prosecution plans on showing.
Jackie Vigil was the mother of 2 state police officers. Investigators say Luis Talamantes-Romero shot and killed her in her Albuquerque driveway. She was leaving for a routine trip to the gym that morning in 2019. We saw Talamantes-Romero in this virtual court appearance Thursday. Investigators say he was attempting a crime spree, looking to rob people and steal cars when he approached Vigil. He's facing up to life in prison for her murder. One aspect of this hearing was the defense accusing the prosecution of working too slowly, saying they missed deadlines.
I'm just trying to adhere to the orders of the court, and I don't think Mr. Duran has complied with those.
Their hope was for the judge to rule many witnesses wouldn't be allowed to testify. These are witnesses the defense called important and major, and they would testify about the facts of the case. But it's a setback for the defense, as the judge denied the motion.
I am going to deny defendant's motion to exclude.
In this hearing, prosecutors gave details on evidence from earlier that fateful morning. Evidence they say shows Talamantes-Romero was motivated to carry out an all-out crime spree.
This was an ongoing act that helps identify who this individual is. This was not, in fact, an accident.
Investigators have said they believe Talamantes-Romero had used cocaine earlier that morning. Thursday, a judge ruled prosecutors cannot use that as evidence. Many others have been arrested, including the suspect's friends and family, because they were either allegedly there or helped him get rid of evidence or avoid law enforcement. This case caught national attention as Vigil's husband, Sam, visited then-President Donald Trump at the White House in 2020.
Every time I go to bed, every time I go out into the driveway, that memory comes back, and it haunts me.
He also spoke at the Republican National Convention later that year and has pushed for more tough-on-crime initiatives in Albuquerque.
And Tessa, 2 months before Vigil's murder, U.S. officials deported Talamantes-Romero. ICE agents later arrested him in San Antonio, Texas. That is a federal charge for coming back into the U.S. illegally, and he faces up to 20 years in prison for that.
Feels like we've just been on such a long road to get to this point.
Many years.
Tommy, thank you.